Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a Valentine's card and answer some questions. The questions that I have are a mix of random questions and Valentine's questions. So let's get started. What are your plans for tonight? Well, tonight I am going to edit this video, get it uploaded. I'm going to do some homework. Probably just chillax and watch YouTube. What are you eating right now? Right now I'm not eating anything. I just had barbecue chicken wings. What's the name of your pet? I have two dogs, one named Buddy and one named Mosa. Do you enjoy watching cartoons or animes? Some cartoons are okay. I haven't watched any animes lately. Most of the cartoons I watch are whatever my 2- and 5-year-olds want to watch. What is your favorite school subject? Math, most definitely math. I love working with numbers. What are your thoughts on Valentine's Day? It's an okay day. Nothing special, but it's not the worst day ever. Do you like conversation hearts or chocolate covered strawberries better? Definitely chocolate covered strawberries. Who are you celebrating Valentine's Day with this year? More than likely the kids and my family. Red or pink lips on Valentine's Day? Probably red. I like darker lips, so probably red. Homemade or store-bought gifts? It doesn't really matter. Homemade are fun. Store-bought are fun. I don't have to get anything. It doesn't really matter. What piercings or tattoos do you have? I have my ears pierced, and then I have a praying hands tattoo on my right shoulder blade. When did you last go shopping? I physically went shopping yesterday. I had to go to the store to get some stuff to make a Valentine's box for the kiddo. But I did some online shopping earlier today. What are your hobbies? I have a lot of hobbies. A lot of them have to do with art and crafts. I like to make rosaries, draw pictures, make cards. I play the piano a little bit. I like to sing. Stuff like that. What color are your eyes? My eyes are brown. Have you ever peed in the woods? I used to go camping a lot as a kid, so that's the only place you really can pee when you go camping. What is your Valentine's dinner plan? Something without meat because it's Ash Wednesday and can't eat meat on Ash Wednesday. Flowers or candy? Candy. Pizza or sushi? Definitely pizza. I'm not a sushi fan at all. Beer or wine? I don't drink either, but I prefer wine over beer. Love with heartbreaks or no love at all? I guess love with heartbreaks. Do you sing or dance in the shower? Well, I used to sing, but our walls are really thin, and you can hear everything from our bathroom, so I stopped. What TV or Netflix shows do you like? Probably my favorite are Girl Meets World and Fuller House and Full House. Who was the last person you chatted with on Facebook? I'm not sure, but more than likely my cousin, because that's usually how we communicate. What is the worst injury you have ever had? I have had 3 major injuries. I broke my arm when I was 2. I had to get stitches on my hand when I don't remember how old I was, but they had to stitch up the meat on the inside and the skin on the outside because I was playing in the river and I cut it on either glass or a sharp rock. But the worst was probably when I got hit in the head with a horseshoe. I had to get 6 stitches on my nose, and I had a bump on the top of my head the size of a baseball. I still have a little bit of a bump from it. What are your plans for the future? Well, my plans for the future keep changing. I just started graduate school to get my MBA. And I want to start an online business. I'm not quite sure on what I want to start it on yet, but I want to start an online business. And I want to continue to be able to do crafts and stuff like that and turn it into a career. So if you enjoyed this video and liked getting to know me a little bit better, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your plans for Valentine's Day are. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye!